Hello beautiful people, it's Dr. Ahmed. We're back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing some natural rejuvenation for the area around the eyes. So that's the under eye and the upper cheek area. So we've got our beautiful model in with us today. We're going to be chatting through that area. So when you look in the mirror, what is it that catches your eye?
Around my eyes, this bit in particular, underneath.
Is it the hollowness there, or what about the kind of...
Yeah, the underneath part here.
When I look at the area, there are a couple of things going on there. There's slight hollowness, what that means is when the light hits it, it creates a shadow there, and that's what generates that kind of the darkness, essentially. But also the skin gets a little bit thinner as time goes on. So we're going to be improving the area with a bit of derma fillers to brighten it up, reduce the hollowness, and just lift things a bit. So have you had any treatments done before?
No, I haven't.
Is that your first time?
Yeah.
What made you kind of, decide on getting treatments done now?
I think as I'm getting older, just a few things I'm noticing. Yeah. Wrinkles that didn't used to be there before.
That's how it is, isn't it? Usually you wake up one day and you're like, I swear that was not there yesterday.
Yeah.
And with the area around the eyes, is that something that impacts your confidence at all? Or?
I think I used to wear quite a lot of eye makeup, and I'm not as confident putting as much eye makeup on anymore because it doesn't quite look the same. Yeah.
What happens if you apply a bit of eye makeup there? How does it look now compared to before?
I think things like foundation and things tend to cake a little bit around. Yeah.
What about in the under eye itself? Do you ever find that actually the makeup kind of sits in the line there?
Yes, yeah. And I've tried using concealer and things, but it's still noticeable.
That's a very common, thing that people say actually. So with the treatment, when we inject it, it helps lift off the skin there a little bit, so it softens that line, so the makeup doesn't sit in the lines as much. So it gives you that kind of refreshed look. So at the end of the day, it doesn't look as caked as it is, You've mentioned this is your first time getting treatments. Was there a reason you've not had anything kind of done in the past? Or?
I think I've always been quite lucky that I've got reasonably good skin.
Absolutely.
But now I'm getting towards 50, so I think it's like, thank you. I think it's, so just a little bit of help that's not noticeable would be quite nice.
Brilliant, very natural, absolutely. So a part of our treatment today is essentially kind of defining and lifting the area around the cheekbone. So I palpate all along the cheekbone here to kind of demonstrate where the contouring effect is going to be, just to kind of help lift this area, because as time goes on, the fat pad there just migrates downwards. So we just want to give it a bit of support to help lift the tear trough and make it look a little bit more rejuvenated naturally. So now that we're done with our treatment, the big reveal, let's have a little look. So, what do you see?
My cheeks are...
Looks a lot more kind of defined, looks a little bit more lifted there. But also your under eyes look a lot more rejuvenated, don't they? How does that make you feel?
Good.
Yeah? You look like a bit of shock.
I'm not sure what I expected, but yeah.
Yeah. Do you feel like it's met your expectations, whatever they might have been?
Well, yes.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, you look a lot more rejuvenated, and actually we wanted to maintain that natural look, didn't we? So, because obviously you were quite worried about things not looking natural. But I think they look very natural. It looks like you probably 5-6 years ago, Any questions for me at all?
Just, is there anything that I need to do in my skin afterwards? Or?
Yeah, so afterwards, pain, bruising, and swelling can occur after any treatment, okay? So especially around the eyes, swelling can happen. If that does, take some antihistamines that will help calm everything down. Regarding kind of aftercare, 24 hours, no alcohol, no gym, no sauna, nothing like that. Avoid skincare tonight, so just clean your face with water and then resume from tomorrow your skincare. I will suggest avoid any kind of glasses or sunglasses in the area, just so the nasal pieces don't create any pressure there. That concludes today's video, guys. If you've enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow all our other social media channels linked down below.